Hello everyone, this is Shamima and I'm the co-founder of RetargetKit. You might have questions in mind what is RetargetKit or what it might be, so let me introduce you to RetargetKit first. RetargetKit is a retargeting link service and is designed for remarketing purpose. With this tool, you can not only shorten your long heavy URLs but also monitor them, control them and analyze them. And most importantly, you can include retargeting pixels of ad platforms. One of the best features of RetargetKit is custom domain. A custom domain is a unique branded name that identifies a website. Means brands like t.co is a custom domain for Twitter. Similarly, you may wish to use your own domain for your company brand. Now, why you should choose custom domain and why is it important? Well, RetargetKit uses rgkit.co as short URL domain when it comes to URL shortening. This means it is open for everyone. Anyone can use it. So there is no representation of your brand, like if I say rgkit.co/gdye is a shortened link you're using for a web page, then it will work, but it doesn't have your brand name and to which page it is redirecting. Once you share this link, everyone will see rgkit.co at first, so your brand name will be lost with this. Another thing is, as RGKit.co is used by many people, if due to any of the link RGKit.co gets blocked on any social media your shared short links will also get blocked. This might cause you losing your clients and no one wants that. We surely don't want that for you. So it is better to use your own domain for URL shortening. Remember, use a domain that is not pointing to any other website. If it is pointing to a different website, then it is not going to work. So make sure you use a domain that is specifically bought for creating short URLs. So let's not talk more and show you how it's done. Once you visit the RetargetKit website using RetargetKit.com, you'll see the sign up button right here. You click on the sign up button and fill up the empty fields, name, email, password, and click on the sign up button. Since I have my own account, I'll just go on with the sign up with Google. Here it is. So I'm logged in. You can see my profiles right here, profile picture and my settings right here. So what I was saying is about the custom domain. I'll just show you. Go to the settings options and you'll find the custom domain in the campaign section. Click on the add custom domain and all the steps are given right here. You can see them. So the first point is log into your domain registration website. I bought my domain from Namecheap, so I'm logging into it in the dashboard section. You have to choose your own domain registration site. I'll fill up this and get back to you soon. Okay, now I'm in my dashboard section. You can see it. So I bought the rkit.me specifically for RetargetKit. So I'm using that one. Next it says to find the DNS settings. So DNS setting of rkit.me is in the manage sections. Right in the DNS advanced setting option, found it. And let's check on the next step. It says to create a Cname record in the DNS setting options, and I have to use cname.retargetkit.com. So I selected the Cname record from the filters options. You need to check on yours. Click on the Cname record, put @ on the host section, and in the value section put cname.retargetkit.com. Just copy from here and paste it there. And the next step, it says to create a record in the DNS settings and have to use an IP address. So first let us select an A record from the filters, and in the host section put @ and in the value section put the IP address given right here. Just copy this one and paste in the value section. Okay, and you're done here. And all you need to do is wait for the propagation of the DNS record. Now it is important because it might take time for 3 to 4 hours to propagate DNS. It is necessary because it will take time for the updates of the DNS records in different area of different countries. Okay, so if you're in Asia, it might take much time, and if you're in the European countries, it might take some less time. So you don't have to worry, and you can check that from a DNS checker. I use DNS checker, this one, and I'll show you what I mean. I'll just write the name arkit.me and click on the search option, and yes, it shows most of the DNS propagations are updated. You can see the green buttons right here in most of the countries. Yes, it is done. Just one in the Canada, it's still not updated, so it will be within a few hours. Okay, so I don't have to worry at all because my other things are working very fine. So you can check your DNS is working or not by any of the DNS checker you feel accurate for yourself. And it's done. And now you need to write the domain name here and click on the save button. It says the custom domain is saved, and you can see the arkit.me for myself is saved here. Now I can use this arkit.me for creating short URLs. Okay, and if you find necessary, you can add much more domains for different purpose. So our custom domain is done. In our next video, I'll show you about how to creating the retarget link, including adding the retargeting pixels, which is really very important. So don't worry if you get confused, or if you need any kind of help, support, or you can just click on the chat option, the red option you can see on the right. You can just click here and we'll be right there for you, or you can just email us on support@retargetkit.com. If you have any kind of suggestion or advice for us, do let us know in the comment section. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so that we can notify you about our upcoming videos. Till then, take care.